Santa Rosa, Mexican-American food. Mexican Silver Moon Cafe. An original Route 66. There we are. Walter ordered a breakfast burrito and I ordered French toast.
Pecos National Historic Park preserves 12,000 years of history, including the ancient Pueblo of Pecos, 2 Spanish colonial missions, the Santa Fe trail sites, and the site of the Civil War Battle of Glorieta Pass. The remains of Indian structures stand as meaningful reminders of the people who once prevailed.
Oh, it's not raining in here, okay. Look, a hat store. Walking? And we're walking. And we're walking. And we're walking. And we're walking.
Trail, and probably very boring in parts too. And
this stone marks the end of the Santa Fe Trail.
Okay.
And in the 10 years
Ignorance.
Perfect.
Sound good to you?
Yeah, give him a little bit. Perfect.
I didn't see any other restaurants. Did you see any other restaurants in the plaza?
I didn't actually. I saw
All I saw was gift shops.
gift shops, and I did see one pastry shop.
So we went back here because my feet are cold. We bought socks.
Yes, we bought
We
socks.
bought socks. And right now I am barefoot. Just letting my feet dry. And when we get back to the rig, we're gonna put the shoes in the dryer. Okay, I don't remember what I ordered. What is this? Steak.
Steak fajitas.
Steak fajitas. And Walter got a green chili.
A green chili cheeseburger.
Green chili cheeseburger. Here we are at Santa Fe Skies RV Park in Santa Fe, New Mexico. We are all in a pull-through. It's 50 amps, water in, water out. It's very windy out here. However, we do have a nice view from our utility side window here. 50 amps, water in, water out. Yesterday there was a lightning storm, and so the power did go out for about an hour. And we took that, instead of me cooking, we went out to eat. We are on a hill. It is gradient, so it's pretty level. We did have to put one block down on this side, on the downhill slope side. And the trailer and truck can fit, so it is longer than 50 feet, which I do like. So the A classes can fit with their tow vehicle parked horizontally. There is a concrete pad. Starlink is very happy. There are no trees around here, so that's a good thing. We're going up to the clubhouse to have another dinner supplied by Fantasy RV Tours. Okay, first course was appetizers. Second course is salad. We had to bring our own drinks. Okay, mashed potatoes, beef tenderloin, and something wrapped in leaves. Tamales? I don't know.
I will have an heirloom carrot.
Is that what the purple and the white
But I
thing
really
is?
love this.
I don't know.